what's popping,
What's
guys?
popping, bagus, gang?
We are at see that.
We are at IKEA in Spain.
Yeah, because we're going to tune up the apartment. So
Yes,
let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Woo! You want to sleep? Oh, I have this one at Rotterdam.
Yeah.
The chair, red and white.
Ito mancha.
Yeah, you can put something in it. I think.
Yes, it's going to be like this. For playa, to go to the beach.
To market also.
Oh, to market, yeah. It's really cute.
How much does it cost? It's €8.
Yeah.
Not bad actually. Hey, what you doing?
Oh shit.
Come. You cannot sleep in here. Come, let's go home.
Yes.
Did you flush the toilet?
I need to pee.
Oh no. Do you wanna taste some air? Delicious though. What do you think about the kitchen?
It's really beautiful.
Check all the details though. Check the.
I really want the kitchen like this.
Let me show you. Check this. Check the details though.
Yeah. Can you open it?
It's a
God,
fridge.
And a store.
Yeah.
Storage. So you can
Next to each other. What do you wanna eat? You wanna drink something? You wanna drink some water?
Yes.
This one also for a balcony kitchen. Check that one.
Can you bring me some?
A little cool though. Okay.
Is my food ready?
Yeah, you can eat it right here.
It's good though.
Yeah? Best way to sit when you're designing, the keyboard should be like this. Like so we can use it like this. Look cool though. Nice setup. The light should be down, so not go in your eyes. But look cool. Also look this one. Perfect, Perfect. Enter the area for the room for the kiddos.
Like you.
Check that one. Don't play with the balls. I Tisha, I love you.
I don't love you.
Why are you so aggressive? Let me go away.
Me over here and me over here.
Billy, do you know Billy?
Billy Jean.
Yo, Billy Jeans. This is fancy Baby Tutu. Where's Baby Tutu? Baby Tutu is over there though. Check him there. Is it him or a she? Is the car on him or on she?
On her.
On her?
Yes, because she loyal.
She
and
loyal.
normally only girls are loyal. Guys, it was really fun shopping in IKEA.
Again, you see the proof from IKEA.
Yes, but we didn't find everything. So we will go to another store. I don't know if we're going to film, but we will let you know.
Yes, check the shopping mall though. Check the shopping mall. How big is the shopping mall? Though?
Yes, let's go to Media Mart.
Check, walk.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm hungry.
What
so
you wanna
let's-
buy? What you wanna buy at Media Mart? What you wanna eat at Media Mart? Media Mart don't sell food. That's why you say Tony Romas.
Whoa, Tony Roma still exists.
Not anymore because in front of him is Burger King.
Okay, let's go.
Check the flags.
Let's go.
So let's go down now.
Square, papi, square.
For the anti-fans, you know.
So guys, I told you guys that I will start my diet, but today I'm cheating.
You see that? That is vegan mayo, vegan mayo, a vegan burger though, with vegan mayo also in it. And check this. Wait, let me show. Let me put the cam over here. Can you hold the cam? We're showing the potatoes. Maybe you don't have this in Netherlands, but it's key in Spain. Man, cool. Okay, let me eat. Let me finish this.
Guys, we are in a Chinese store and look what we found. Do it like this.
The hot dog boy though.
Okay, let me try one. What is this? Get coffee.
And you know, it's underwater mask. And here they give you air from the boat. And here you go underwater.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Oh, that's chicken.
Guys, this store have everything.
Een rapper nou, bro. That we saw in the IKEA.
Oh yeah.
We can stop on TikTok now because we can buy them here.
Guys, they have like everything to make creative things.
Yes, I
Like
have
piñata.
That's what I'm
They have empty places. They have like everything. Every custom. Everything. Oh my god!
¿Todo bien?
Hola hermana.
¿Todo bien?
Hermana.
¿Cómo está con tus sobrinas? ¿Pero por qué, tía?
Tu prima Ana. Es para tu prima Ana.
Sí, pero Pablo también se gusta.